Hi, in this video, I'm going to discuss about relationship. Whenever we do data modeling, these relationships are auto-made in Power BI when you connect two different files. There are four different things: one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many. Let us see in detail each one. Yes. Now, one to one. How it works? See, if you have two files, this is file one and file two. There are two different files. To make you people understand, I made everything in one single file and I'll make understand what exactly the concept, each concept tells about. Anyways, one to one. There is file one and file two. And see, if you can see, there is employee ID, employee name, and department. Okay. And here you have same employee ID and you have passport number and group blood group. So if you can see each row, each and everything has got its own unique thing. Okay. So you have 101 here, you have 101 here, you have 101 here, you have 102 here. See, everything has got its own unique thing. Each thing has got unique values. Here you have employee name, here you got employee ID, here you have passport number, you have blood group. So from 101 to 105, everything has got everything new. 101 is 101. See, there is a single 101 here, there is single 101 here. There is 103 single, 103 single. Everything is single value. So this is called as 1 to 1. And coming to the next segment, that is one too many. So how it works? See, you have you have one customer ID, 101, 102, 103, 104, and 105. And now see here, you have dual 101s. I just highlight this one. 101 is dual, 102 is dual. Sorry, 102 is three times repeated, and 103 is once, 104 is one, and 105 is again two times. So this is what is called one to many. So there are plenty IDs which are connecting to this one. Okay, so these are ideally one and the same. Here 101 and 101, a customer ID here and customer ID are one and the same. So we'll be connecting these two common factor, primary key and foreign key in data modeling. But if you can see, 101 in this file, it's repeated for twice, 102 is repeated for twice, and 105 is repeated twice. So this is what is called as one to many. This 101 will be applicable to these two. This 102 will be applicable to these two. And this 105 is applicable to these two things. So that is called one to many. So your key, one key is connected to plenty other keys. That is the reason it is called as one to one. Now going back to here, every key will be matching to every single key. So foreign key and primary key will be matching to only single row. That is called as one to one. So here you have one to many. So one key, foreign key is matching to primary key for twice. So this is called one to many. So when you just do this vice versa, this is called many to one. See, here you have many. So one to one is many times. You have twice one to one, but here it is connected for only one. So that is the reason this is called as many to one. Okay. So the same thing, many to many. So here if you can see, S101 is twice here and S101 is again twice here if you can see. Yes. So this is twice connected. So this foreign key is connected twice, many to many. So that is the reason this is called as many to many. When a foreign key and primary key, how they are there in these two files makes your relationship one, one to many to one, and many to many. And let us see how they work in Power BI manually. So here the one to one, let us see how it works in Power BI. So this is a file of one to one where you have a single employee ID. Even in sheet 2, you will be having single employee ID. Even in sheet 1, you will be having single employee ID. Single employee ID means it will be having 101 will be having only for once. Okay, that is called one to one. And let us see how it works. See, if I connect employee ID to here to the employee ID. See, it is only 1 to 1. See, the cardinality it is here showing 1 to 1. You can see here the cardinality. Okay, let us save this one. So let us see how one to many will be working. See here, one, you have only one. It is one to many. You can see the customer ID. It is only for once here. Okay, each customer ID is only for once. And in sheet two, here you can see customer ID. It is repeated for twice. 101 is repeated for twice. 102 is repeated for thrice actually, and 105 is repeated for twice. So this is how one to many. So here it is one, and here it is many. So that is one to many, and let us see how it works in cardinality. Customer ID to customer ID. See, it is showing one to many. Save this. See here, many to one. Sheet one will be having many times repeated. The one single customer ID will be many times repeated. And in sheet two, if you can see, the customer ID will be only for once. So now customer ID to customer ID. See, it is many to one. Save this. So here in many to many, if you can see, in sheet 1, if you can see, student ID is for twice and course ID is for twice. And in sheet 2, course ID is for twice and student ID is also for twice. So that is the reason the name suggested it all. That is many to many. So when uh, you have multiple primary keys and multiple foreign keys to connect those things, many to many will be occurring. Just if I try and connect this to, see, it is many to many. Here you can see the cardinality many to many. If I try and connect rest of the student ID also, see, even this is also many to many, because the student ID or course ID, these two things are the primary key and foreign key. Both of them are repeating for more than one times. That is the reason this is called as many to many relationship. If you can see many to many relationship, I'll just say this one. Many to many relationship is considered to be the most complicated relationship in all four cardinalities. That is one to many to one, and many to many. In the last one, many to many is considered to be the most complicated because it is bi-directional. When there is plenty things are moving from between these two sheets, that is considered to be the most complicated cardinality, and how to encounter with many to many will be explaining in the next video. Hope this video is useful to you. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.